Hi everyone. Today in this video we'll learn about programming in SAP ABAP. In SAP ABAP, programs are either written in the format of reports or as dialogues. Coming to reports, a report is nothing but representing data in an organized structure. We write reports in the transaction code SE38. All the coding part is written in the report. With this code, we fetch data from multiple tables and process it before the output, and we get output in the form of lists. The output of these reports can be downloaded from SAP system into an Excel sheet format and used accordingly as per the client requirement. By this way, we can easily send the output as an email to the client. Moving on to the next slide, types of reports. In this SAP, we have two types of report, namely classical and interactive report. But in ABAP, we have seven types of reports, such as classical report. A classical report is nothing but a type of programming in which we use to display data from the table. It contains only single list. They don't have any sub-reports. Another is interactive reports. Interactive reports are the type of reports where user can interact with the report. That means when we click on a field in the output, then it will display one more list. Another one is logical database. Logical database are special ABAP programs that retrieve data from tables and make it available to application programs. The most common use of these logical databases are to still read data from database tables by linking them to executable ABAP programs. Next one is ABAP query. ABAP query is also known as SAP query or query. It is a powerful tool used to generate simple reports without any coding. Typically, an ABAP query is created first by defining a user group and a function group. The function group can be created with the reference to a logical table or a database table. Another one is ALV reports. ALV is nothing but ABAP list viewer. SAP provides a set of predefined ALV function modules, which can be put into use to decorate or arrange the output of the report. The set of ALV functions is used to increase the readability and performance of the report output. Another one is report writer. The report writer is a tool which we can define reports. Many reporting requirements can be met using standard reports provided by various SAP application components. The report writer uses report building blocks such as sets, which can be used in any report. And last one is views. A view is created by combining data from one or more tables containing information about an application object. Using views, we can represent a subset of the data contained in the table, or you can join multiple tables into a single virtual table. A view doesn't contain or store any data. And then it comes dialog programming. The first type of programming is report, and the next type of programming is called dialog programming. It's another type where the system accepts user input and it allows interaction between the program and the user. The user can navigate through the screens. A user can also perform actions in the selection screen like data entering, choosing a menu type, clicking a button, clicking or double clicking an entry in the selection screen. Dialog programs are always created type M, that is module pool. They can be executed independently and they must be attached to at least one transaction code in which we specify at an initial screen. And finally, difference between reports and dialog programs. Reports are standalone programs. A standalone program is nothing but it's a type of system where it doesn't require to load any external module. Okay, whereas dialog programs are not standalone programs. We need to link the dialog programs to at least one or more screen and transaction codes. We use reports to read database tables and represent the results in the form of lists. But whereas dialog programs, we use it to read and change the database tables. Reports are collection of processing blocks and are controlled by system calls depending upon events. Whereas dialog programs are controlled by screenflow logic. Reports can be used by logical databases or select statements defined by the developer who writes the code. Dialog programs is also called as module pool program or transaction. Reports can call dialog program and vice versa. That is, dialog program can call reports. All the module pool are separated into PBO and PAA. PBO is process before output and PAA is process after input. These are events. That's all about programming in SAP ABAP. See you in next video. Thank you.